How to log in or sign in to TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log in or sign in to TikTok account. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure to download and install TikTok application from Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Now launch TikTok app to get into TikTok app. Then directly you land on this home page or for you page on TikTok. To log in, tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap login button. Now here are different ways to log into TikTok. You can either use phone, email or username, or either continue with Facebook, Google or Twitter. If you don't have any accounts on TikTok, select sign up at bottom right corner of the screen and easily create account. So let's get with the Google. Now from this menu box, select allow to access your contacts. Now you can see that we have successfully logged into our TikTok account. That's all. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.